This is your L-shaped living and dining area, the spacious. You can check out this is an open kitchen concept. So now this is your bedroom space over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Bryn Soho, which is located in Talagattapura, Bangalore. Project developed by Bryn Corporation. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of Bryn Soho, and about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this how your project will look like. This will be the main entrance connected to the Kanakapura main road, and once you enter, this will be the commercial space, and then about the residential part. So this project is constructed on 3.9 acres. Single residential tower of basement ground plus 24 floors having 3 BHK premium residencies. Additionally, as you can check out 70% of open space in this project. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of, as you can check out, this is the clubhouse with all the indoor amenities with swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area with the half basketball court and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in Talagattapura on Kanakapura main road in Bangalore. So let me show you, this is the Kanakapura main road, and this road will connect towards Nice Ring Road, and the opposite side road that is just behind me, this road will connect you towards JP Nagar. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Silk Institute metro station, which is just 200 meters on my left hand side. That is 5 minutes walking distance. Now, you can also connect to D-Mart in 10 minutes. Prestige Forum Nexus Mall is also 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now let's have a look at your 3 BHK of 1894 square feet super built up area. And here we start. So once you enter, here is no direct living or dining area. Here you can find the foyer area, and once you enter from this foyer area, this is your L-shaped living and dining area, the spacious and the beautiful one. So here you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit. And now this living area has a pretty good balcony connected. This is a spacious balcony with anti-skid tiles and iron railing as well. You can check out the space over here. Now let's move further towards your dining area. So your dining area has been placed just in front of your kitchen area with the perfect access. And you can check out, this is an open kitchen concept. Here you can place your serving platform, and the platform you can set like this with the cabinets, and including here is your utility area with a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. And the plus point in utility area is the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and provision for your washing machine and the dishwasher. So all your 3 bedrooms are on this side of the house. So once entered over here, let me show you one more plus point. This is the space. The extra space where you can add up your workspace, your study table, your storeroom, or else as per your need. And here you can find out the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now this side is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the space over here with a beautiful bed space, the wardrobe space. And here is a window for ventilation and the lighting purpose as well. Now moving towards another bedroom, which is just exactly beside to this bedroom. over this side. So let's enter. Once you enter again, here is a proper foyer area which is attached to your washroom as well. The attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this side is your bedroom area with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can even add up your workspace over here with a TV unit and the wardrobe space. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before entering towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now let's enter to the master bedroom. So once you enter, again over this side is no direct bed space. So now this is your bedroom space over here. This is a pretty good spacious bedroom, the most spacious room in this house with a wardrobe space, the bed space and with attached balcony, that is sit out area. So this is a balcony with anti-skid tiles, iron railing and which is 3-side cover as well. You can add up your chair and a table and have a sip of coffee. Now about the attached washroom. So of course this side is the attached washroom and even with a niche area where you can add up your dressing table. And now about the washroom, again with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now as you all know, we are here in Talagatyapura. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, all the information of the project is mentioned in the I button. Do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.